For projectile motion, so this involves an object that moves in both the x and y directions simultaneously under the constant acceleration, which is the acceleration due to gravity. So here it is illustrated that complementary values of the initial angle theta result in the same value of the range r. So complementary values, those are angles with the sum of 90 degrees. So the horizontal and vertical motions are completely independent of each other. So for the horizontal components, so we just have uh, during the horizontal motion of projectile, the velocity is constant. So when the velocity is constant, the acceleration is 0. So here, we just have to remove the parts where acceleration is involved. So the final formula for the horizontal components in the projectile is this one. For the vertical component, so we have this one. We just have to change the quantities to the y components and change delta x to delta y. So this is also the formulas for free fall, as what we have studied in the previous video. So this is the summary of formulas. So projectile motion follows two-dimensional kinematics where the horizontal velocity remains constant and the vertical motion follows free fall equations. This allows us to determine range, the flight time, and the maximum height using the kinematic formulas. So these are the summarized equations. So we have case 1 wherein the projectile looks like this one. So it will start from the ground and then fall also on the ground. And then for the case 2, so it starts at a certain height and then it falls on the ground. So this is the formula of range for the other equation. So for example, a ball is kicked with an initial velocity of 12 meters per second at angle of 50 degrees to the horizontal. So we have the initial velocity, which is equal to 12 meters per second, and we have the angle, which is 50 degrees. So how long will the ball stay in the air? So assuming it strikes the ground at the same height as it was launched. So while reading the problem, we can actually know that this is a case 1 projectile. So it looks like this. This is the initial and this is the final. So we have to use the formula for case 1. So letter A, we have the time of flight t is equal to 2 VO sine theta over g. So we have the time is 2 times 12 of sine 50 degrees over 9.8 meters per second. So let me input this in the calculator. So we have 1.9 88 seconds. So this is the time the ball will stay in the air. And then next, how far will the ball go before hitting the ground? So here, the question pertains to how far the ball will go, so it means it is the range. So from the formula for case 1, the range is VO square sine 2 theta over G. So R is 12 meters per second square times sine 2 times 50 degrees over 9.8 meters per second square. So the range is equal to, so let me just input this in the calculator. So the range is 14.47 meters. Okay. So for letter C, what will be the maximum height of the ball? So we also have the delta y max is equal to VO sine theta square over 2G. So this is also a formula from the case 1. So y max is equal to, so let me input this in the calculator. So we have 4.31 meters. So this is the maximum height the ball could reach. Another example, so a cannon is fired horizontally from the top of a 30-meter cliff into the ocean. So clearly, we have this 30-meter cliff, and then the cannon is fired. And then it looks like this. So clearly, this is case 2. So the initial velocity is 1,000 meters per second. So how far from the cliff does the cannonball hit the water? So here, we are looking for the range. So the formula for range in case 2 is this one. So we don't have an angle, so it means VOX is also equal to 1,000 meters per second. So here we only need the time. So the time of flight based on the formulas is square root of 2 delta y over g. So this is square root of 2 times, so the delta y is 30 meters. So 30 over 9.8. So the time is 2 times 30 over 9.8. 2.47 seconds. So the range is 1,000 meters per second times 2.47 seconds. So the range is 2,474.36 meters. Okay, this is actually 2.47436. Okay.